You are 17 years old. You live in a small apartment, old laptop, slow internet. You're not rich, not popular, not special, but you're curious. You spend nights online clicking things you don't understand, forums, hidden pages, strange usernames. One night you find a post. Everything is vulnerable. You just don't know where to look. You don't fully get it, but something clicks. You start learning, not from school, from the internet, free courses, YouTube, random blogs written by people who don't use their real names. Your first hack? Guessing a weak password. It works. You freeze. You're inside. It's not about money, not yet. It's about power. Welcome to the underground. You are 19. You understand systems now, how websites work, how people make mistakes. You don't break things, you test them. Small vulnerabilities, bug bounty programs. You make your first $100. It feels unreal. No boss, no office, just you and your mind. But the deeper you go, the darker it gets. Private forums, invite only. People selling data, access, tools. You don't participate, you just watch, for now. You are 22. You're no longer learning. You're operating. You hide your identity. VPNs, proxies, encrypted chats. You leave no trace. People start noticing your work. They don't know your name. They call you Ghost. You get offers, small jobs at first. Test this system. Find a weakness. You tell yourself it's still legal, still safe. But one job crosses the line. Access to a private database, real user data. You hesitate, then you do it. No alarms, no consequences, just silence and money. A lot more than before. You are 25. This is no longer a hobby. It's a business. You work in the shadows. Clients don't ask questions. You don't give answers. You've built tools, scripts, automation. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Money flows in, new laptop, better setup, privacy, everything. But something changes. You stop trusting people. Every message feels like a trap. Every job could be a setup. You sleep less. Think more. You're always looking over your shoulder, even online. You are 28. You made a mistake. One job, one wrong client. It wasn't just data. It belonged to someone powerful. Now they're looking for you, not publicly, quietly. Your handles get flagged, accounts disappear. Someone is tracking patterns. You shut everything down. Too late. You're not hunting vulnerabilities anymore. You are the vulnerability. You are 30. You disappear. New identity, new city, no social media, no trace. You stop everything. No hacking, no forums, nothing. But your mind doesn't stop. You see patterns everywhere. Think in systems, weak points. You hear a knock on the door. Your heart races every time. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's not. You live quietly, but not peacefully. You are 32. You have two options. Go back, risk everything, make millions, or stay invisible, safe, unknown, forgotten. You open your old laptop. The screen lights up your face. For a moment, nothing moves. Then, you close it. Not every game is worth winning. Some worlds, you survive by leaving.